Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 880 and today's topic is industrial manufacture of ceramic articles. Actually, ceramic industry and ceramic technology is another area of industry, and here ceramic articles and products are mainly silicate, and all these ceramics are made up of clay, and these ceramics, they must have clay that is having plastic property elasticity, and then this silicate and clay is fired to make it hard. And the word ceramic is Greek, it is derived from Greek, it means clay or pottery. That is the meaning of ceramic. And ceramic is used widely in houses, in buildings, as a crockery, as a tile, as a wall decorative, in kitchen as a sink, cupboard. Lot of uses are there in different areas and for different purposes. And these ceramics, they are stable because of two reasons chemically. First, the oxide and carbide of these silicates, they give the stability and hardness. So I will be discussing in the beginning its chemical nature and its main article and their uses in our houses. So, industrial manufacture of ceramic articles. Number one, ceramics include all articles which are essentially silicates. Those articles which are made of clay are known as ceramics. I have already told you very clearly that they are made up of silicates and clay, and the word ceramic is derived from Greek. Ceramics, and the word ceramic is derived from Greek, meaning pottery or clay products. Nowadays, we understand by ceramics of all articles in which clay or similar plastic materials is used, and which, after having been shaped, having been shaped and dried, are subjected to firing process to make them hard. So once it is made, and then it is subjected to firing to make it hard, that plastic nature clay. The definition of ceramics is very broad and covers a large variety of products such as table and industrial ware, crockery, decorative ware, sanitary, etc. Number two, uses of ceramic products. So I have mentioned here some important uses of ceramic products. They are extensively used as follows. Number one, in construction and decoration of buildings. That is widely used in decoration and construction of the buildings. Number two, in the manufacture of metals, that is refractory material, nowadays commonly used to produce refractory materials. Number three, in the manufacture of chemical products, stoneware and porcelain. They are the products, porcelain. Number four, in drainage of water and sewage, and that is known as stoneware. Number five, in the sanitation, earthenware and vitreous china. Wash basin and cupboard, they are all sanitary products. Number six, as insulators in electrical industry, that is porcelain. So, in continuation number 3, we can conclude that ceramics is that branch of technology, is a type of technology and is a different branch of technology which deals with the manufacture of ceramic articles and their technical characteristics and the raw materials used. That is the technology of the industry, and what is the characteristic of their raw material and what type of substances are used. The ceramics are produced in silicate industry, and actually all the ceramics they are produced, and that industry is called silicate industry, clay industry, pottery industry, where silicate is mainly raw material. And ceramic raw materials are divided into following basic groups according to their manufacture, field and use. So all these ceramics, basically they are divided in that manufacture field according to their use, and they are as follows. A, first one, that is structural ceramics. And what are structural ceramics? The structural article mainly used in construction buildings and various other structures belonging to this group. So these structural ceramics are mainly used in building as a decorative material, as a tiles, as a drain tiles, etc. So various other structure belonging to this group, for example, roof tiles, hollow tiles and drain tiles. B, facing material is a type of ceramic. This ceramic article used for internal facing of buildings and structures, and they are slabs, oven, tiles and facing brick. These are all main articles what it is produced in ceramic industry. If you are going to ceramic industry or silicate industry or clay industry, whatever name they are given, you are asking all these products and you will get. C is refractories, is a type of ceramic. The refractory ceramic materials which retain their mechanical properties at 1000 or even above 100,000, above 1000 degrees centigrade temperature, the stability, that is called refractories. Temperature or above are called refractories, and these are used in the making of various parts of industrial furnaces and ovens. D, fine ceramics. Porcelain wares and glazed pottery are included in this class, and they are used in domestically products like dishes, wash basins and sinks. E, special ceramics. They are the group of articles which are mainly used in radio industry and aviation industry. So with this I will stop here. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.